Hey, this is Kevin. Thanks for coming back to the Project Cave. And as you can see, I need a haircut, I need a shave, and I need a shower. That makes this the perfect time to change the oil. Alright, today's victim of my oil change is my 2015 Ford F150 pickup. I've got all the tools that I need laid out. I got a lot of wrenches, a lot of sockets, because, well, I just can't remember what they are because I don't change the oil every day. Some people are really good at that. I'm not one of them. But the reason I'm changing my own oil, and I've been doing it for a while, I did it as a kid, and I'm doing it now again, is this. I took it to one of those white box oil filter change places, and they use some kind of impact wrench to put this thing on, or the wrong size filter wrench. They put a hole in the oil filter, and I was not happy when I figured out what that was. So fortunately I figured it out rather quickly and before any damage was done to the engine, so I now do not trust them and I change my own oil. So got the tools, got my blue tarp, that's going on the driveway because you got to protect the driveway. Oil gets on the driveway, Mrs. Project Cave may shut down the Project Cave, and I want to keep bringing you great videos. So let's get out there and change the oil. I love my F150 because I can get under here without putting the car on jack stands. You know, some of those guys, like Chris Fix and Tavares, they make this stuff look so easy. Those guys are really, really good. And Tavares, I will compliment that guy. I will call him fearless. Working on exotics and broken. I mean, they're wrecks, and he's getting a good deal on them. But Chris Fix, he gives a ton of good information, very good step-by-step tutorials. Remember to pop the gasket off. Get a little bit of oil. Get it all over the gasket. And now, perhaps the hardest part is just getting it back onto its spot. Remember folks, oil filters only get put on hand tight, not with a wrench. Use a wrench to take them off. Putting them on with a wrench is very bad. Okay, now it is time to turn the vehicle on and check oil pressure. All right, up to pressure, looking good. Now it is time to reset our oil life. So we are gonna go down to settings, vehicle, oil life reset. Well, I went a long time. I was a bad boy. So we are gonna reset this. Oil life is reset. And now we are at 100%, and we will revisit this back next time in, I don't know, I guess probably at the end of the summer.